video from A&G Learning Tutorials. In this video, you will learn all about Introduction to STEM Strand. I hope you like it. Are you still confused of choosing Strand in senior high? What is STEM Strand? Why STEM? What are the major subjects? What can I do after senior high school? Number 1. What is STEM Strand? S stands for science. A body of knowledge that has been accumulated over time, and the process scientific inquiry generates new knowledge. Knowledge from science informs the engineering design process. T stands for technology. Product of science and engineering, and technological tools are used in both fields. E stands for engineering. Both a body of knowledge about the design and creation of human-made products and a process for solving problems. This process is designed under constraint. M stands for mathematics. The study of patterns and relationships among quantities, numbers, and space. Number 2. Why STEM Strand? Education at all levels in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, STEM, develops, preserves, and disseminates knowledge and skills that convey personal, economic, and social benefits. Higher education provides the advanced work skills needed in an increasingly knowledge-intensive, innovation-focused economy and society. National Science Foundation. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics are intertwining disciplines when applied in the real world. The difference of the STEM curriculum with the other strands and tracks is the focus on advanced concepts and topics. Under the track, you can become a pilot, an architect, an astrophysicist, a biologist, a chemist, an engineer, a dentist, a nutritionist, a nurse, a doctor, and a lot more. Those who are also interested in marine engineering should take this track. Number 3. What are the major subjects in STEM Strand? Pre-calculus, basic calculus, general biology 1 and 2, general physics 1 and 2, general chemistry 1 and 2. Number 3. What can I do after senior high school? Information technology. Equipped with the basic essentials to survive the rapid global IT marketplace, look forward to get that degree on computer science, computer technology, and information technology as a STEM student. Engineering. Subjects under STEM are tailor-fitted to courses such as civil engineering, chemical engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, industrial engineering, and mechanical engineering. Agriculture. For the people who love being outdoors, STEM is the track for you. You can get degrees varying from agricultural engineering, animal science, food technology, horticulture, forestry to veterinary medicine. Mathematics and science is the heart of the STEM curriculum. Different technical career paths are open for you to take on. Various industries such as banking, civil service, financial services, consulting, and retail can become your playground in the future. Healthcare. Anatomy and physiology just got easy with the STEM curriculum, specialized subjects of chemistry and biology. Your future might hold you as a doctor, nurse, pharmacist, physical therapist, dentist, or medical technologist. I can already see that white coat on you. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button to keep updated on the latest videos.